Hi, my name is Tim Robinson. I'm a developer advocate at IBM, and I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of how to create an IBM Cloud account and how to get a trial promo code to add to that account, and show you a quick view of the IBM Cloud dashboard and how to set up the CLI on your workstation. So let's start. I'm going to go ahead and type in the URL for call for code registration, bit.ly/IBM-ACCT. And I'm going to type in an email address here to register my cloud account. Once the email address is in, I'll click on the arrow. Now I'll type in my name, password, and scroll down and click on the Create Account button. And then I'll go quickly through this CAPTCHA to show that I am a human and not a robot. And now my cloud account will be created. I'm going to get an email and copy that link and paste it here to confirm my cloud account. And then I'll see my IBM ID account privacy information. You can read through this if you want. This just explains what we'll be doing with your PI. We will treat it very securely. Click on Proceed to move forward. And then we'll move into the IBM Coder program terms. When you sign up for Call for Code, you'll also be invited to the IBM Coder program. And in here, you want to edit your profile and change your default email. Go ahead and change this to some other name, like your name. Here, I'll just put in a demo name for this user. Continue on. And in the IBM Coder program, you'll see a number of tiles that you can go through to learn more about Call for Code. We're going to skip this for now, and we're going to go ahead and create a trial feature code by going to the website developer.ibm.com/call-for-code/feature code. Now you'll have a confirmation code to use for your account, so enter that confirmation code here and then click on Request a Code. Go ahead and copy this code. And now let's go over to the IBM Cloud dashboard. To get to the dashboard, type console.bluemix.net and then click on Login. This is the IBM Cloud dashboard, and since this is a brand new account, we don't see any resources that have been deployed. Go into Manage, Billing and Usage, Billing, and then scroll down to Apply Code and paste in that feature code that you copied from the other website. You can use a feature code only once. That's why I'm not worried about you seeing my feature code here. Once you've got the confirmation screen, you can close that, and you can go back to the dashboard by clicking on the IBM Cloud label. In the Cloud dashboard, we organize resources in two different ways. We organize them in what are called resource groups. You start with the default resource group, and we also have the old Cloud Foundry organizations and spaces. You'll have an organization matching your email address, and by default, a space called dev. Let's create a service and see how to get the credentials for it. We'll go over to the IBM catalog, and you'll see they're organized by a number of different topic areas. You can scroll in the catalog through the different service types, or you can click on a link in the topic areas to find all the, for example, AI-related services. You can also type up in the search field. Like if I want to find the Watson Assistant service, I just type in Assistant and I'll see a copy of the service tile. To create a copy of the Watson Assistant service, I click on the tile and I'll be prompted for the service name. I can edit the service name to anything I want it to be. For example, I can get rid of this formerly conversation stuff. And check the region and the organization and the space that I'm going to deploy to and click on Create. This is going to create a copy of the Watson Assistant service, and I can use this Assistant service instance with applications by copying the credentials here. I can paste those into an environment file to use locally. By binding the service instance to a Cloud Foundry application, I will be able to use it with that application through the VCAP services environment variable. Now when I go back to the dashboard, I'm just going to see a single item here. I'm going to see my Cloud Foundry service that I've deployed. Let me show you quickly how to find the link to the IBM Cloud CLI. click on the Docs at the top, and then click over on Tools. Here we've got some descriptions about some tools for using IBM Cloud. Go ahead and click on the Tell Me More link under Getting Started with the IBM Cloud CLI. The IBM Cloud CLI comes in two forms. There's a full kit, which is the IBM Cloud Developer Tools Kit, which includes copies of several tools like Homebrew on the Mac, Git, Docker, Helm, kubectl, curl, etc. Or if you just want to control the IBM Cloud from the CLI, all you really need is the standalone CLI. I'll show you how to get that here. Click on the Standalone CLI tab, and then here you can select the appropriate installer for your operating system. Download the installer, and then select it and run it. And here I've already got it installed on my workstation, so I'll just go ahead and cancel out. Once you've got the installer going, you can start up a terminal and type in IBM Cloud -V to verify the version that's been installed. Okay, so now you're all set. You've got an IBM Cloud account, it's been upgraded to a trial, you've got the CLI installed. Next step is to go to developer.ibm.com/call-for-code. And for there you're going to find a whole bunch of very rich technical information that you can use to get started with your call-for-code project. And here we have 6 areas of technology topics along with IBM code patterns and examples. And we also have deep dive tech talks, both from domain experts in various areas of disaster response, and also deep dive replays, including one for each one of those 6 areas. Good luck with your participation in Call for Code.